In this section, we shall demonstrate a typical motor assembly procedure. In most instances, the bearings require heating, preferably using an induction heater device. Oil heating may also be employed. Once a bearing is heated to around 90 degrees Celsius, it should be quickly positioned onto the shaft. But remember to first install the retainers if so equipped. The rotor is next carefully installed to position the drive end toward the double pop mark on the stator frame. Note that the bearings are wrapped to prevent contamination. When cool, the bearings are packed with grease of the recommended type. You will often find the recommended grease type on the motor nameplate. The bearing is correctly packed with grease when it is approximately 2/3 full and the rolling element separators are visible. Remember to use only clean, fresh grease and to keep all dirt or grit off your hands during this operation. The end shields can now be installed. If bearing retainers are fitted, it helps to align them using a guide stud. Secure the bearing retainer screws firmly to ensure proper seating of the bearing within the end shield. Next, secure the end shield, remembering to align them to the pop marks. Repeat the procedure at the opposite end. Replace the fan and its lock pin. And then rotate the shaft to ensure it turns freely without binding. To complete the assembly, the fan cowling is replaced. Prior to placing into service, the motor should be meter tested. And where facilities exist, bench run to ensure correct balance. That concludes the basic motor series. Practice the procedures demonstrated in your own work area under the supervision of your instructor.